Stepping up from pens to machines, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is a compact Core XY 3D printer that Amazon lists at about $379 on the product page. That pricing puts it in the competitive consumer prosumer range. The spec sheet on the listing is bold. Core XY all-metal structure, fully auto-leveling, a 280 degrees Celsius direct extruder with a quick detachable nozzle, and a 220 by 220 by 220 mm build volume. It's marketed as a fast machine. High-speed printing claims up to 600 mm per second, with features designed to cut setup time, one-click auto printing, and a detachable nozzle for easier maintenance. Those conveniences are the kind of thing a busy maker or classroom will appreciate. How does that translate to everyday use? Buyers report that the auto-leveling and fast warm-up nozzle seriously reduce initial headaches, and FLASHFORGE's ecosystem, slicer and support materials, is helpful for first-time printer owners. The pros: ready-to-use workflows, decent speed, and easy nozzle swaps. The cons: as with a lot of fast printers, you'll still want to tune profiles for optimal print quality. High advertised speed is impressive, but printing at the maximum isn't always ideal for fine detail. The product page also shows a large number of customer reviews. The listing displays a 4.0 out of 5-star summary with thousands of ratings, so there's a significant base of user feedback to scan for tips and firmware tweaks. If you want a capable plug-and-play desktop printer with solid service and an approachable price, this one is worth checking out. We share buy links in description box.